Hey guys, I'm Suresh with Bio-Therapeutic, and today I am going to show you our brand new BT Vision 2.0, which we are so excited about. It is our newest launch here for Bio-Therapeutic. Today I'm going to show you what's inside the box and all the goodies that come with it. Here we go. So the box itself is a work of art. If you own an iPhone, you will recognize the whole concept of this. Really, really nicely done. We have spent many hours, many months, many weeks coming up with this, so please appreciate it when you get the box. There's a beautiful picture on the front here. On the sides, we have a little bit more information of the product, and here on the back, all the specs and everything you need to know. We're gonna go ahead and slice it open, shall we? So you'll see two seals here on the side. We're just gonna take a little blade and we're gonna cut into it. Alrighty. Just like so. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, right. So at the very top here, you will see all of the product literature, our quick start guide, and the instruction manual. Can we talk about how pretty this pink is, right? Okay, and then underneath that is the unit. If you are a skincare gadgets and gizmos kind of person, like we are here, you will love this. So here is the actual unit itself. Here are all the magnifying lenses, and here are your little accessories that come in this little pack right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside, shall we? If you are familiar with our company, you guys know that we do all sorts of really awesome, amazing skincare technology tools, devices, equipment, and skincare. If you are new to our company, hi. We're gonna be your new best friend, so get ready. Inside this little compartment, you will see all sorts of little goodies. So let's pull some of these out. First of all, you're gonna see your batteries, and then you have a little cleaning cloth here, which you will use for your lenses. And then you will see the little elastic headband. Now this is going to be awesome for many of you guys who have trouble keeping like glasses on your face, they slide down, it happens, right? This is what you're gonna use to make sure that that doesn't happen, okay? All right, I'm gonna show you the lenses before we actually get into the main unit. So what's cool about the BT Vision 2.0 is you now have 5 lens options. So we go all the way from this little guy right here, who is a 1-point magnification, all the way up to a 3.5. This is the big daddy right here, right? If you are an esthetician and you are practicing extractions, for example, this is a fantastic tool for that. Also great if you are a lash technician, if you are a brow architect, if you are a makeup artist and you do lots of detail work, this is the kind of thing that you want. Also, if you want to make fun of your friends for having big googly eyes, this is a great way to do it. Let's go ahead and put this to the side here. Are we ready for the big mama? So here it is, just like so. Such a beautiful little piece of equipment, you guys. I love this so much. We here at the office are absolutely gaga for this, and every time we see one lying around, I find people just wearing it and trying it on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this box here. So you can see on the inside of the box, we've really taken a lot of time to make sure this is so beautifully crafted. It's very lightweight, but all this padding in here makes sure that your BT Vision stays nice and safe. Great option for storing the unit in between uses or if you're going on vacation, Alrighty. So what's really cool is the part that touches your forehead here, the part that sits on your nose, and the 2 arms back here that go behind your ears are all made with our silver ion technology. Silicone obviously feels nice on the skin. It's very easy to take care of, but these guys are also antimicrobial and antibacterial, which means they kind of take care of themselves. Bacteria doesn't build on the surface. Great for all of you guys who are really busy with your clients and don't have time to sit around wiping your glasses, right? So the whole concept of this piece is that it looks like sport glasses. It's a self-lit examination light, which is a mouthful, but basically, in fancy words, all we're saying is it's a great tool to use to get up close and personal when you are with your clients. And it feels really comfortable on the skin. You barely feel it on. I'm so excited for you guys to try this. It's gonna be great. All right, so let's go ahead and put the batteries in. So right back here, where the forehead portion of the unit is, you'll see a little door right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull that open just like so. And there we are, the battery compartment. So there's a little ribbon here that is going to help you pull the batteries out when they need to be replaced. And you wanna make sure that we put that in there as well. All right, so 3 batteries are included. I know, you're welcome. You wanna make sure that you are putting them in the right way. There's a picture in there, so it's not too hard. Just like so, just like so. Can we talk about how many times, maybe you guys aren't like this, but that like, I will put something in and it's just not working. And I'm like, oh my God, it's like not working, it's broken. No, I just put the batteries in wrong. It happens. All right, so from here, all you have to do is put the lid on and you are set to go. As you can see, it snaps right into place there with that good, satisfying click that feels just right. Just because the 3.5 is my favorite and it looks so goofy on, I'm gonna put that one in here so you can see what it looks like. So that also has a nice satisfying click to it. You turn the light on just like so, and then you just slip it on your face. You can see all the detail that you want. Now, if you wear glasses, it's totally possible to use these with glasses. You just would put the glasses on over this, right? And let me show you what the elastic band of this looks like, because that's the option that you're gonna wanna use if you are a glasses wearer, or if you just want to have this on all morning or all afternoon during your service, and you don't wanna bother taking it on and off. Because you can see it comes on and off like really easily. It pretty much is just like a pair of really cool sunglasses, right? I'm gonna go ahead and take the lens off for now. All right, see the little button here on the side? You just push it down all the way and the arm comes out just like so. Ta-da! By the way, these little guys are like little sleeves. So if you feel like they're slipping on and off, you just pull them right back in and there they are. Okay, so on this side as well, we're gonna push this little button right here and just pull the arm out. Ta-da! This little headband you're gonna love. It's quite stretchy, also has our beautiful design on it, which we came up with just for the BT Vision here. Our logo's in here. I mean, it's so pretty, you guys. It matches the back of the glasses arm here. You'll see that it looks exactly like the hook on the arm of the glasses. So we just hold the Vision just like so, and we push it in just like this, and it clicks into place, right? Nice, satisfying click. Second arm over here as well, just like this. Ta-da! That's it. And then there's a little adjuster piece here, depending on how tight or how snug you want it to be. And this is the best option for those of you guys, like I said, who just want to kind of keep it on and forget about it, right? So it feels a lot more secure when you put it on, and it sits a little bit closer to your face as well. So just be ready for that feeling. And then you just attach the lens that you want. You know, if you are really going in for like super detail work, go for 3.5. It gets you 3.5 times into what you're trying to see, obviously. And then if you're doing lighter work, you can go in with the 2.0, you can go in with 1.5. This is such a fantastic piece of equipment if you are really doing anything, from a hobbyist to a makeup artist, lash technicians, brow technicians. It just gets you into where you need to be, right? So you just take your little hook here, you put this little guy into this little setting, and ta-da, there you go. You can look super professional by being like, yes, right, okay, let's take a look. The great thing about having this band on is you don't have to worry about it flopping and flying everywhere. You know, you can really just manhandle it and turn the light on and off as rough or as easily as you want, and it won't go flying. So that's that. And then from here, you can put your glasses on if you are a glasses wearer, because there's ample room here in the front. Very comfortable here, no pinching, no squeezing. Very comfortable here on the side of the head, no pinching, no squeezing. It feels nice and secure against my forehead here, which is major, because you know the last thing you want when you're in like mid-service is for it to just kind of come flying out, or that feeling of it like inching out of your ears. Ugh, hate that. So here it is from the side. I want you guys to see what it looks like. Nice and secure on the head, feels really good, no pulling, no tugging. This is such a nice option to be able to get it out of the way so that you can really see your client's face when you're talking to them. And then when you're ready to examine, you just pull this down, just like so, and everything comes down, like everything comes down. So you can get in like really, really close, just like so. You can get a little farther away if you want, just like so. And then when you're ready to be done, you just pull it up, just like so. We also have a little wipe in here for you, a microfiber lens cloth, which you will love. It cleans the lens just wonderfully, and you don't have to like in front of your clients, which is gross, you know. This guy is wonderful, gets everything off, and just like that, I can see everything again. So if you guys are familiar with our BT Vision 1, you will love BT Vision 2.0. This unit is about 20% lighter than the original, so that's a huge number. It's also about 32% smaller, so that is major. Like I said, if you are familiar with BT Vision 1, you know that it's a little bit larger unit, sits a little bit, you know, all around your head. This is a lot less invasive, so that is great. And the other cool fact is the little light here is 9 times stronger than the original. And I know it's hard to tell here because there's so much studio lighting going on, but let me tell you guys, this is a bright little light. And that will come especially in handy if you are an esthetician and working on skin, if you are a makeup artist, or really anyone, because a lot of mag lamps do come with the light on it. This guy is comparable to that lighting. Let me tell you, we've tried it out. So I really, really recommend that you check this guy out. Head on to our website and get pricing information, connect with your sales representative, get some pricing for it. Even if you are not in the beauty industry, say you are a woodworker, a carpenter, say you are a painter, a fine artist. I know it sounds crazy, but this kind of a device would do you really well, especially if you are into detail work and you like to get right in there and, you know, do whatever it is that you do. You will love this little device here. It's not just for anyone in the medical industry, it's really for anyone that's looking to kind of get in and see a little bit clearer. I usually wear corrective lenses and glasses, and sometimes I find myself just wearing these when I'm at work. So lastly, what I will say is, whatever questions that you have about the unit, there is plenty of literature that comes with the product, right? There is a quick start guide which shows you everything that you need to know to get started right away. It's beautifully illustrated. It has all the photos in it. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than this. It's basically what we just did in picture and numbered format, right? So this is wonderful. And then the instruction manual is also great if you want to dig in a little bit further and see what some of the functions are. There's care use and battery and light and lens information. Basically everything you need is in the box here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this deboxing with us. Please let us know if you have any questions. Make sure to leave us a comment here if you are excited about BT Vision 2.0 and you want to try it. Let us know if you have tried it and you've ordered it and you're enjoying it. Make sure to connect with us on Instagram and Twitter. Obviously, please follow us here on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget our Facebook page as well. We are at Bio-Therapeutic across all of our platforms. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys again real soon, okay? Bye.